Hey everyone, this is Sean from Pew Pew Tactical, and today we're doing a field strip and reassembly of the 509cc Edge from FN. First, press the magazine release and remove the magazine. Next, push up on the slide stop while pulling the slide to the rear to lock the slide in place. Physically and visually inspect the chamber to make sure it is empty. Now, pull down on the takedown lever. From here, release the slide all the way forward and press the trigger. Pull the frame and the slide apart, set the frame to the side. While we can easily push and remove the recoil assembly, you can see that the comp makes the barrel a little bit more of a challenge. If you hold the barrel into place, push in and rotate, it comes right off a lug. Push down on the barrel to remove it, and you've completed disassembly. Now to reassemble, push the barrel back through the slide, pull it to the rear to set it in place. To put the comp back on the barrel, make sure that you push it out further away from the slide so you have clearance. Push it on, rotate it, and then while under pressure, rotate it back down so that it lines up with the slide. Now, compress the recoil assembly until it sits on the lug. From here, we're going to line up the slots in the slide with the tabs on the frame. Pull the slide all the way back and lock it to the rear with the slide stop. Close the takedown lever, and now drop the slide. Finally, we're going to function test it. This firearm is functioning properly. This has been a field strip and reassembly of the FN 509cc Edge. For more information on this firearm and others like it, please head over to pewpewtactical.com.